Welcome to the slide presentation entitled Couples Transformation Process. All this material is put on by LifePsych Academy. Hi, my name is Dr. David Hanson, and I want to introduce you to the principles of couples transformation process. You'll notice in looking at your self-partner assessment that you have 6 categories. 3 of them deal with incompatibility, 3 of them deal with compatibility. On incompatibility, you see withdrawal, domination, entitlement, and these tend to revolve around themselves versus what is compatible: the connection, cooperation, contribution. And if you look at how you might want to improve the intimate partnership, you can think about how you might increase the compatibility items and decrease the incompatibility items. Looking at this in the bigger scope, you see couple engagement, couple communication process, and this leads to connection versus withdrawal, cooperation versus domination, contribution versus entitlement. And these 3 tend to revolve around themselves, leading to disconnection and a couple's breakup. There is a place for a redecision, and that redecision has to do with connection, cooperation, contribution, creating a positive, happy couple with intimate partners. You can look at your scores and decide, can you decrease entitlement, domination, and withdrawal? And are you willing to increase connection, cooperation, contribution? Contents of this course will help you create intimate partners. Thanks for watching.